In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Craigslist. If you're new to Craigslist, or perhaps you've been using it without an account, this guide will walk you through the simple process of setting up your own account. Having an account not only makes it easier to manage your postings, but also provides a more organized way to track your interactions on the platform. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Craigslist homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in craigslist.org. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the Craigslist homepage that's specific to your location. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a link labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to the account login page. Now, if you already have an account, this is where you would normally log in. But since we're creating a new one, let's focus on the section that says Create an Account. In the Create an Account section, you'll notice a field asking for your email address. Enter a valid email address here, as this will be crucial for verifying your new account and for any future correspondence with Craigslist. After entering your email, you'll have an option to choose between creating a passwordless account or setting a password for extra security. While a passwordless account can be convenient, I highly recommend setting a password for added protection. It's always a good idea to have that extra layer of security for online accounts. Once you've entered your email and made your choice regarding the password, click on the Create Account button. After that, Craigslist will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Craigslist. If it's not in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will take you back to Craigslist where your account will be confirmed and created. From here, you can proceed to log in to your new account. You'll be able to manage your postings, save your favorite listings, and have a more streamlined experience on Craigslist. And there you have it. Your very own Craigslist account is ready to use. Remember, keeping your account details secure is important, so make sure your password is strong and unique. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to explore all that Craigslist has to offer with the convenience of having an account. Thanks for watching and happy posting!